Saskatchewan, where hockey lives. Hockey isn't just a sport in Saskatchewan, it's a way of life. It's woven into the fabric of our communities. From the frozen ponds to the packed arenas, hockey is our passion, it's our pride. Kids grow up dreaming of scoring the winning goal. They lace up their skates almost as soon as they can walk. They spend countless hours on the ice. They brave the cold. They chase their dreams. Saskatchewan is where grit meets talent. It's where legends are born. It's where the love of the game runs deep. This is the heart of hockey. This is Saskatchewan. The Saskatchewan Elite Hockey Academy, a place where the ice is more than just a surface to skate on. It's a canvas where young athletes paint their dreams and aspirations. This is where young players hone their skills, day in and day out. They practice tirelessly, perfecting their techniques and pushing their boundaries. Each drill, each skate, each shot is a step towards their ultimate goal. This is where dreams take flight. Every goal scored, every celebration, every moment of determination is a testament to their hard work and dedication. Here, on this ice, they learn what it means to dream big and chase those dreams with relentless passion. The academy is known for its rigorous training. The sessions are intense, designed to push the players to their limits and beyond. It's not just about physical endurance, but mental toughness as well. The players learn to overcome challenges, to rise after every fall, and to keep pushing forward. It pushes players to their limits, testing their resolve and determination. The exhaustion is evident, but so is the fire in their eyes. They know that every drop of sweat, every moment of fatigue, brings them closer to their dreams. Leading the charge is Coach Mark Rivers. A former NHL player, he brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to the ice. A true leader, he knows what it takes to succeed at the highest levels of the sport. He understands the dedication required to succeed. His motivational speeches inspire the players, his hands-on approach ensures they learn the right techniques, and his presence on the ice is a constant source of encouragement. He instills that work ethic in his players. Under his guidance, they learn the importance of hard work, discipline, and perseverance. They give their all during training, knowing that Coach Rivers expects nothing less than their best.
I'm tough but fair. I demand respect. I command attention. My players know that when they step on the ice, they need to be focused and ready to give their best. But most importantly, I care about my players. I want them to succeed not just as athletes, but as individuals. I take the time to understand them, to support them, and to guide them through their journey. I want them to reach their full potential. Every practice, every game, every moment on the ice is an opportunity for them to grow and improve. I push them because I believe in them. It's not just about building hockey players, it's about building character. The lessons they learn here go beyond the ice. They learn about teamwork, resilience, and integrity. These are the qualities that will serve them well in all aspects of life.
The academy is more than just a training ground, it's a family. The bonds formed here, the camaraderie, the shared experiences, all contribute to a sense of belonging. Here they are not just teammates, but brothers and sisters, united by a common goal and a shared passion for the game. Winter in Saskatchewan. It's brutal, it's unforgiving, but it's also where hockey thrives. The cold steel of the blade against the ice, the crisp, clean air. It's hockey in its purest form. Young players embrace the elements. They battle through snowdrifts to reach the outdoor rinks. They skate until their fingers and toes are numb. They don't complain, they persevere. These are the conditions that forge champions. The resilience, the determination. It's all part of the Saskatchewan hockey experience. It's in their blood. This is where legends are made. As the snow melts and the days grow longer, the focus shifts indoors. Indoor arenas become the new battlegrounds. The pace is faster, the competition is fierce. Players continue to refine their skills. They work on their speed, their agility, their shot. They push each other to be better. Iron sharpens iron. The camaraderie is palpable. Teammates become brothers. They celebrate each other's successes. They pick each other up after a tough loss.
The dream never fades. It burns even brighter.
Section 5, Summer Camp, where passion meets preparation. Summer in Saskatchewan, a time for rest and relaxation. For many, summer is a season to unwind, to bask in the warmth of the sun, and to enjoy the serene beauty of nature. Not for these young hockey players. For them, summer is a time to sharpen their skills, to push their limits, and to chase their dreams on the ice. Summer means one thing: hockey camp. It's a season of dedication and hard work. The Saskatchewan Elite Hockey Academy Summer Camp. It's intense. It's demanding. It's where young athletes come to transform their passion into performance. It's a chance to improve every aspect of their game. From the fundamentals to advanced techniques, every drill is designed to elevate their play.
Players spend hours on the ice each day. They are committed to perfecting their craft, knowing that every moment counts. They work on their skating, their shooting, their puck handling. Each skill is honed with precision and care. They participate in drills designed to improve their strength and endurance. Off the ice, they engage in rigorous physical training to build the stamina needed for the game.
It's not all work and no play. The camp also emphasizes the importance of camaraderie and fun. There are also opportunities for team bonding. Players go swimming, enjoying the cool water after a long day of training, fishing, where they can relax and share stories, and camping under the stars, creating a sense of unity and friendship. They create memories that will last a lifetime. These moments of joy and connection are as important as the training itself, building a foundation of trust and teamwork that will carry them through the challenges of the sport. Section 6, the Saskatchewan Cup, a tournament of dreams and dedication. The Saskatchewan Cup, the pinnacle of youth hockey in the province. Teams from across Saskatchewan come together. They compete for the coveted championship. The atmosphere is electric. The stands are packed with screaming fans. The pressure is on. The players leave it all on the ice. They battle for every inch. They display skill, determination, and heart. For many, it's the highlight of their young hockey careers. The memories made will last a lifetime. Section 7, Ethan's Journey, a young player's pursuit of excellence. Ethan, a young player from a small town in Saskatchewan. He lives and breathes hockey. He dreams of one day playing in the NHL. Ethan possesses natural talent, but it's his work ethic that sets him apart. He's the first one on the ice and the last one off. He's always looking for ways to improve.
I attend the Saskatchewan Elite Hockey Academy. I train hard, I listen to my coaches, I never give up on my dream.
Ethan's journey is just beginning, but he's already an inspiration to young players across Saskatchewan. Section 8, the Winter Showcase, a stage for talent and aspiration. The Winter Showcase, a chance for the best young players in Saskatchewan to showcase their talents. This event is more than just a competition. It's a celebration of dedication, hard work, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Each player has spent countless hours training, honing their skills, and preparing for this moment. Scouts from across North America are in attendance. These scouts represent various teams and organizations, all eager to discover the next big star. They meticulously observe every move, every pass, and every shot, looking for that special spark that sets a player apart. They're looking for the next generation of hockey stars. The conversations among scouts are filled with excitement and anticipation as they discuss the potential they see on the ice. For the players, this is a golden opportunity to make a lasting impression.
The pressure is immense. Every player knows that a single mistake could cost them their dream. But they also know that a brilliant play could change their lives forever. The locker room is a mix of nerves and determination, with coaches giving last-minute pep talks to inspire their teams. But these young players thrive under pressure. They rise to the occasion, showcasing their skills with grace and precision. Each game is a testament to their resilience and passion for the sport. They play with confidence and poise. The synergy among teammates is palpable as they move in perfect harmony, executing plays they've practiced countless times. Their confidence is evident in every stride, every pass, and every shot. They leave it all on the ice. The physical and emotional toll is visible, but so is the unwavering spirit. Each player gives their all, knowing that this showcase could be the stepping stone to their future.
For some, it's a chance to earn a scholarship. This opportunity can open doors to higher education and further development in their hockey careers. The joy of securing a scholarship is a moment of triumph and a reward for their hard work. For others, it's a chance to catch the eye of an NHL scout. The dream of playing in the NHL is within reach, and this showcase is a critical step towards that goal. The presence of NHL scouts adds an extra layer of excitement and pressure. The dream is within reach. The determination in their eyes reflects the countless hours of practice and the unwavering belief in their abilities. Each player knows that this could be the moment that changes everything. The Winter Showcase is a testament to the depth of hockey talent in Saskatchewan. It highlights the incredible potential and dedication of these young athletes, serving as a beacon of hope and inspiration for future generations. This event is not just about winning, it's about the journey, the growth, and the dreams that drive these players to excel. Section 9, a community united by hockey nurturing dreams, one puck at a time. Hockey is more than just a game in Saskatchewan. It's a community.
Parents, coaches, volunteers, and fans all play a vital role. They spend countless hours at the rink. They drive their kids to practices and games. They volunteer their time. They cheer on their teams.
They understand the importance of hockey in the lives of young people. They're investing in the future of the game, and they're building a stronger community in the process. Section 10, Saskatchewan, a legacy of hockey greatness. Saskatchewan, a province with a rich hockey history. We've produced some of the greatest players to ever lace up a pair of skates. Gordie Howe, Mr. Hockey himself, a legend of the game. He learned to play on the outdoor rinks of Saskatchewan. His legacy continues to inspire young players today. And it's not just Gordie Howe. Countless other NHL players have come from Saskatchewan. They've all made their mark on the game. Section 11, the future of hockey in Saskatchewan, a bright path ahead. The future of hockey in Saskatchewan is bright. The passion for the game is as strong as ever. Young players continue to develop their skills. They dream of one day reaching the NHL. With the continued support of their families, coaches, and communities, there's no limit to what these young players can achieve. The legacy of Saskatchewan hockey is in good hands. The heart of hockey beats strong in Saskatchewan.